Today, launching your speaking brand is easier than ever. BookspeakerLeads.com enables speakers to receive in-person and virtual speaking opportunities directly to their email. Expand your brand as an influencer, become a thought leader, get business leads, brand your reputation for an executive position, or simply promote your cause or agenda to the public. With Book Speaker Leads, getting speaking opportunities just got easier. Go to BookspeakerLeads.com, click Create an Account, choose your support level, select 2 speaking topics, and get speaking leads sent to your email. Save $50 on the Essential subscription for the first 3 months when you visit BookspeakerLeads.com and use the promo code SAVE50. Don't search, select speaking leads and sign up at BookspeakerLeads.com. We look forward to seeing you on stage.